Can a single promise change the course of a nation's future? As the Lok Sabha Elections of 2024 unfolded, Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister and AAP National Convener, challenged this notion with not one but 10 major promises that he believed could revolutionize India. The pivotal moment came with the announcement of the Kejriwal Key Guarantee campaign, a bold initiative that outlined a roadmap for the nation's future. It promised to tackle a multitude of issues, from basic amenities to national security. First on Kejriwal's list was the assurance of a 24-hour electricity supply. A basic necessity, yet a luxury for many, this promise aimed to light up every corner of our nation, every hour of the day. Next, Kejriwal pledged to revamp education. With a focus on quality and accessibility, the promise was to transform India's future by investing in its young minds today. The third guarantee was to improve healthcare with the establishment of Mohalla clinics. Affordable and accessible healthcare right at your doorstep was a cornerstone of Kejriwal's vision. Enhancing national security was next in line, a promise to strengthen the nation's defenses and ensure the safety of its citizens from external threats. The fifth promise, and perhaps the most contentious, was the call for the termination of the controversial Agniveer scheme. Kejriwal's strong criticism of the scheme was a clear indication of his intent to reform the existing system. Farmers' welfare was the sixth promise. In a nation where agriculture forms the backbone of the economy, Kejriwal promised to prioritize the needs and rights of our farmers. The seventh guarantee was the granting of full statehood to Delhi. A long-standing demand, this move was aimed at giving the capital city greater autonomy and control over its affairs. Kejriwal also committed to generating 2 crore new jobs annually, a promise that resonated with the youth of the nation, eager for opportunities to prove their mettle. The ninth promise was to eradicate corruption. A persistent challenge for India, Kejriwal pledged to foster a transparent and accountable system. Finally, the 10th promise was to promote trade and industry, a commitment to stimulate economic growth and prosperity by fostering a conducive environment for businesses. In summary, the Kejriwal Key Guarantee campaign was a bold and ambitious initiative. It promised to tackle a wide range of issues, from basic amenities to national security. It pledged to revamp education, improve healthcare, and enhance national security. It called for the termination of the controversial Agniveer scheme, pledged to prioritize farmers' welfare, and promised full statehood to Delhi. It committed to generating 2 crore new jobs annually, eradicating corruption, and promoting trade and industry. Only time will tell if these promises will indeed change the course of our nation's future. As we await the results of the Lok Sabha elections, the nation watches with bated breath. After all, a promise is a heavy burden to bear, especially when it's a promise to a nation.